How to deploy Edge AI for real-time business decisions. What if your business could make split-second decisions right where the data is generated without waiting for the cloud? That's the promise of Edge AI, where real-time intelligence meets real-world speed. Edge AI brings artificial intelligence directly to the device or system where data is created, whether it's a sensor, camera, or mobile device. This eliminates latency, enhances privacy, and enables instant decision-making critical for industries like manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and logistics. So, how do you deploy it? Step 1. Identify high-impact, real-time use cases. Think quality control on production lines, security surveillance, predictive maintenance, or inventory tracking. If a decision needs to happen in milliseconds, Edge AI is the answer. Step 2. Choose your hardware. Edge devices need powerful yet compact processors like NVIDIA Jetson, Intel Movidius, or Qualcomm's AI chips that can run machine learning models on-site without constant cloud access. Step 3. Train your AI models. Use historical data to train models in the cloud, then deploy the optimized version to your Edge devices. These models should be lightweight but accurate, capable of running in resource-constrained environments. Step 4. Build a secure pipeline. Your Edge devices must communicate with central systems for updates, monitoring, and analytics. Use secure APIs and encryption to protect data and maintain compliance. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Use AI lifecycle tools to track performance, retrain models, and scale deployments efficiently as business needs evolve. Edge AI isn't just fast, it's transformative. It's how smart businesses get smarter, adapt quicker, and make decisions in real time, where every second counts. Want more next-gen tech strategies? Like, comment, and subscribe for weekly insights on how to future-proof your business with cutting-edge AI.